IMAB Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have been in the market for 5 years and done 40,000 videos, so you know I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I-Mab, it's already melting. With all that to say, man, it's just a bearish market. Now, with this in mind, like all I'm going to tell you is that it's still a bearish range. It's in a supply zone. I'm not saying this in a way where I'm just going to randomly sell, no, you know, but I'm saying this in a way where, you know, only if there's some sort of like a double break, I'm going to look to sell down. Like, I know people like to overcomplicate stuff and all, like over exaggerate, but it's at the end of the day, a supply zone. That's what happens in a supply zones. I sell, but not randomly, you know, rules first must be met. And all I'm going to do in the meantime is I'll keep an eye on IMAB. If you're like, but Mr. Sicko, when is it going to be bullish if that's the bearish side? Well, for me, if I see proper breaks with a full candle close above 140, then of course I can be bullish. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.